up, babies? Good morning, guys. You don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what a dem. Forget my chain. Forget my ring. What is, man? You know, I was walking this morning and I said to myself, normally I used to do these videos and I used to really appreciate them. All of a sudden I stop. But here, I really wanted to start back doing this video because, you know, me, I think about some stuff, some topics, on deep topics, you know, what helped me throughout life, and, you know, it just helped me to be a better person, like, overall, and I want to share them with y'all, see if I can touch one of y'all, you know. One of the things I want to talk about this morning, well, it's what them come hand in hand, and it's something that I've learned so much in the past 2 years that you have to try and deal with. So I'm a person that, you know, everybody go through life with Hallandale. Guys, it's been such a long day. I didn't get to check back in with you guys and tell you what I really wanted to tell you. Maybe I'll tell you in our next video, but I'm currently at the movies now. I'm gonna go to the movies today. I went to the movies last week and I watched The Upside. It was a really good movie. I don't know what I'm gonna watch today and stuff. So may I decide when I have a show today. What is showing today?
Aquaman, Trial Ball, Sea, Mulan.
This one? It's nice. You want to try it? I say, go on, man. I can go now?
It's only showing at 9, straight up.
Thanks. I'm watching the Mule. The girl at the front there. Nice. She and the secret is saying nice. Only thing at the last part, it needs a little gravy. But they say nice, so that I'm gonna watch, you know. Auntie. I'll check back in with you guys later on today. So guys, let's go get some nacho and a hot dog, I think. Maybe a little regular one. Can you get a, hi darling, can I get a hot dog?
A regular jumbo.
Regular.
With cheese or with cheese?
Huh? Without cheese. Not if you take cheese. No, without cheese. I want a nacho, but I don't want the cheese in it.
Salsa? Yeah,
I just need the nacho alone.
Only?
Yes,
no
please.
problem.
For the juice, Tropicana mixed with a little bit of ginger beer.
What size would that be? What size?
Small.
So it's a regular hot dog, nachos only, and a small soda. And a fruit punch with ginger beer, right?
Tropicana.
Fruit punch
Yes.
with ginger beer.
So you say soda. Oh, the cup. You're referring to the cup.
Yeah.
Okay.
8:30.
Yeah, guys. You know, I'm gonna really drink soda. So I'm taking Tropicana with ginger beer. Moving a couple after it, but we decided to come out early and get this before the rush. And when I get nachos, I don't get the cheese, I don't take the salsa. I just eat the nachos out. I like it that way. What is sweet relish? I don't need the relish.
Okay.
And the mustard. You don't have any mayonnaise?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, you need an extra ketchup?
Yes, so just take that and give me an next ketchup. Polite guy. Yes, so the movie I got nice so far. I'll go back inside. Finish up, eat up my nachos and my hot dog and other things. Get me a straw, man. Napkin. Hey guys, I don't know if you watch it Upside. I watched it Upside last week and it was so good. I really appreciate the movie. I laughed so much. Had a good time. That body though. The ramp with me. When I natural them. Guys, I've been eating really bad from the other day. I'm gonna need to shake up myself. To them. Oh, I didn't hear you. I really drink soda, you know.
Like the orange and ginger beer.
Give me the grape. Give me the grape, cola, and ginger beer. Grape, cola, and ginger beer. My force me to drink soda. When I get fat, but I'll come to that guy here. That's it. Cola, champagne, grape, and ginger beer. I don't normally drink soda, but I don't know. I'm gonna have water inside, you know. Not for them nice, them. So I'm going in back. So I'm going back inside now. So I'll check back with you guys later on today. Later on tonight. Yes, guys, welcome back to the vlog. The movie was good. It kind of got me a bit emotional at parts. I don't know me, I'm an emotional person. Movies make me cry. A lot of things I'm easy for ball these days. I don't know, I'm just emotional and thing. But good night, sir. I'm on my way. There's some music next door. I'm on my way to Progressive now. I'm gonna check my weight because the scale of my house is not going good. I'm gonna believe in it. The scale of my house I say 155. I don't know me about 165 and so I'm gonna check it now. $164, practically 165. I know so one day I drop some weight, but I put it on back. So yeah, 165 is good for me. God no. I've been eating a lot of junk food from the other day, you know, get my belly bloated and stuff, but more while I have to live life, you see me? But guys, and I'm more positive and uplifting, and I'm just so excited. Give me a laugh at them, please. I'm at Progressive now. My website, MELICASKYLIFE.com, is available. On the website, you'll get all the information about me, my videos, my products, my merchandise will be on the site, my Instagram and my YouTube. You know, I'm just so proud and so excited of this move. You know, it's such a big move. I was scared, you know, business wise and personal wise, and developing a personal brand, you know, but I'm just so excited that 2019 start off like this. So on the site you'll get everything about me. You will get the belly gun, my exercising belts. You will get meal plans, my meal plan that I used to use weight. You can get it on the site. Now back on more other things. Mr. Kids? Hi. Hello. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Yeah, so yeah, developing my personal brand and a bag of things. I'm just so proud and so excited. I'm so humbled of, you know, I move forward and push out in 2019 and their things. Another thing, this morning when I started the vlog, it was a serious topic. I wanted the vlog to be like something short, but it turned out to be this entire vlog now. The vlog is really about, I really wanted to talk about keeping hate and bitterness inside. A lot of times things happen in life, like to us as individuals. Everybody go through stuff where situations can have you become bitter and have hate towards people and stuff. Like guys, me I tell you, I've been through it, and I don't recommend that you keep that inside you. It's just not healthy. You know, you find a way to let it out. Either you approach the situation head on, or you deal with it and move on from it and let it back go, because it's not healthy. I'm gonna recommend that for no person, like to keep hatred and bitterness inside. You understand? So guys, promise me that you guys will let go of that and just try to live a healthier life. You can't live a healthy life and have hatred and bitterness inside of you. Then things that we have you build up.
You guys have bad water at home?
Barriers. Those things will have you build up barriers inside of you, like wanna make people, like, you know, and deal with people, like some high barriers are hard to bring down if you're not aware of yourself. you know. So I'm gonna head home now. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button. On the website there is going to be a mailing list. I recommend that you subscribe to that mailing list because I'll be choosing my winners, and a lot of things, my discounts and stuff will be going to that mailing list. I'm so excited, guys. If you don't know, I do like DJ drops, tags, birthday shout outs, and I'm venturing into hosting events. You know, I know you're proud of me, girl. I know you're proud of me, guys and girls. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and share with a friend. Please, please, please. You know, show the love by sharing, because you know that's how we grow, guys. Another thing, thank you for the growth. Well gone. Thank you for the growth on the channel. I'm so proud of it and stuff. So yeah, people them look for me. So talk to you later.